Hey everyone, this is just a quick look at the ZHIYUN Smooth 5S. This is a 3-axis gimbal for smartphones. This gimbal has stronger motors and a longer battery life than the Smooth 5. It has its own app that lets you use all the different features, but it also works with Filmic Pro. You can just use it with your basic camera app, but you won't be able to use a lot of the features of the gimbal. The gimbal also connects using Bluetooth, so you don't need Wi-Fi for the apps to work. Speaking of the features, this thing has a power button, a record button, a joystick to move around the camera, a button to switch between modes, which display up here, a controller for the built-in light, these magnets to hold additional fill lights, a zoom and focus wheel, a 1/4-inch thread for a microphone or something, a USB plug to charge the gimbal, and a USB plug to charge your phone. It also has these spring-loaded extendable arms, so it can basically hold any size of phone, with or without its case, as long as it's under 4 inches wide. Anyway, the phone mount can also rotate for vertical or landscape recording, but unfortunately it has to be done by hand because unlike other gimbals, it cannot be done in the app. The gimbal has an arm that's adjustable so it can balance different phones. It also came with this simple but effective tripod stand that's super helpful if you want to set this thing down to record. And one thing you must know when buying this is that even after reading all the instructions, I still had a hard time setting this up. So here's a quick setup guide. Make sure your gimbal is charged, then download and sign into their app, and then use the app to connect to the gimbal. Then make sure all 3 axes are unlocked, then you're good to go. The second thing is I felt the tracking was a bit lacking for objects that weren't human. And if it loses sight of the object, then the gimbal will go crazy. This could probably be fixed, but putting that aside, I've been using this thing everywhere to record epic shots and stabilize my videos. This thing is super fun to use once you get the hang of it and takes your videos to the next level. Anyway, I hope that was helpful and thanks for watching.